I'm gonna do it.
Hey.
Do what?
Hey, go! Okay, the deal is, this is challenge number
recording?
2. Yes, it's recording. Challenge number 2.
First one was kind of failure though.
Yeah. So, depends if this is 2
Okay.
or 1. Okay, the deal is we're going to each drink a Coke.
So I'll hold it up because
Oh,
that
yeah.
makes it cool.
I know. And whoever can drink it first without burping
Of course.
wins.
Fastest.
Fastest.
What?
Okay, we need to start at the same time.
I can't drink without laughing.
We have to wait for Mikhail to stop laughing.
Calm your cheese. Calm your cheese?
Okay, you guys ready yet?
No. 2, 3.
Don't barf, please.
Oh my god, my eyes are watering.
And the temptation to burp is irresistible.
Oh, I listed it. Hmm?
What? Mm-mm.
Oh, that was so close.
It's hurting my stomach. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna burp. Oh my god. Ah, it burns.
I did it.
Oh. Okay, well, because I'm out now.
Shut up. Oh.
I can't burp anymore.
Burp.
Mm-mm.
Never.
Which one of you is gonna break first? Ow!
I almost choked there.
Shut up! I'm so jealous. Ow, it hurts right in here. You burped?
No, I just breathed. Like, because my stomach's hurting. My hair is terrible. Oh my god. Burp! Damn it, burp!
Mm-mm. I'll burp.
Mm.
I'm already out. I burped by accident in my throat. You haven't noticed me burping this whole time? Oh my god. I can't burp anymore.